Hello friends, welcome back to our Node Monitor channel. Today we'll start our first program on Arduino. This is the simplest one, in which we will make an LED blink. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Okay, let's start the blink program. It is equivalent to the Hello World program in software language coding. Let's see each piece of code one by one. Before we start, please make a practice to write neat and clean code. Also describe the code, what it does. To do this, we need comments inside our code. We used // to comment a single line, and we have to use /* and */ to comment multi-lines. You can find this link in the description, and you can also explore this link to get more on this program. We have not used any global variables here. But in the IDE, LED built-in is already defined for pin number 13. In setup code, we define this pin as output by using pinMode command. Setup code runs once. We define all configurations inside this code. Here we have defined pin number 13 as output. Then we move to void loop. This is the code that runs indefinitely. Digital write used to write, either high or low, to a pin. Now we write high to pin 13, and the LED will glow. Then you introduce a delay, so that we can see the LED glowing. Then we write low to pin 13, that means LED goes off, and again we introduce a delay to see the effect. We have gone through the code. Let's now open the IDE. And go to File, Examples, Basic and Blink Program. Explore this link to see the code. I have connected Arduino Uno to my laptop's USB port. Let's upload the code into the board. You can see the LED is blinking, 1 second on, and 1 second off. Now I have connected the breadboard. The red wire is connected to pin number 13, and black wire is connected to the ground of Arduino board. I have connected one LED in series with a register of 220 ohms. Now we can also see that this LED is blinking in sync with the onboard LED of the Arduino. Now it is also proved that the internal LED built-in that we have configured is actually pin number 13. That's all in this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. That will be a great help to me. Thank you.